I just want to bring him out for his big birthday, you know?
I mean, if he's as big of a loser as his dad, probably not.
Hey, don't say that to me.
Probably not.
I'm a
Call
Marine, bitch.
on a
I'm a
Friday
Marine.
night. Have a good night, babe.
I'm a fucking veteran, baby girl.
Damn! She really did you like that.
She really did it.
Go back, big you stupid bitch.
Fuck
I'll
your
just
shit up.
fucking shoot him right now.
Santa Barbara, how may I help you?
You know what? You upsetted me. I'm killing myself now.
Oh, do it. Have a good night.
Damn! What the fuck?
What? She didn't even care,
Wait,
dude.
Yo,
I mean,
can't she get in like actual trouble for that?
Do it. Yeah, but she's probably freaking out because she heard a gunshot.
Vic, you wanna go to fucking jail, you stupid whore?
Oh, okay. Who are you calling now?
Who fucking knows?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hi there. I was wondering if you guys give out veteran discounts.
Yep. I have a veteran's ID.
No.
Oh, okay.
Just
Also,
get a
I was
permit.
wondering if my son could come with me.
Nope. If he's not 18, he cannot. Have a
Oh,
good night.
so he's turning 13, so that's...
What an old fuck.
Dude, I can't believe that girl said do it. Have a nice night. Like, what?
You go on a fucking, like, sex hotline or some dumb shit.
Yeah, do that.
Those you have to pay for all the time.
Emotional listening support.
Emotional... that's what I'm doing.
Okay, like, why in your
Jesus
mic?
Christ.
The fuck?
Dude, this nigga got bronchitis.
Thank you for calling Contact Helpline. Press 8 to reach a helpline specialist.
Wait while I transfer your call.
Who the fuck is, like, spilling cans and shit? Oh.
Hey.
Shit bangs.
I'm so sorry you guys have to hear this. Here, I'll mute my mic till they answer. Hello?
Contact helpline. May I have your zip code?
Oh, it's
Who are you
74309.
74309.
Yeah.
Did you want someone to talk to?
Yeah, I've just been feeling very emotionally down, and I
Oh
just
my.
really need someone to talk to for a little bit, not very long. Just a quick talk.
Yeah, I'm available to listen. My name is Ann.
Alright, well,
available.
it was nice to meet you, but my name is Justin, but anyways, so recently my dog has been diagnosed with cancer, and it's just been really upsetting me since I've had him for almost at least, it's been 16 years now. I've had him since I was very little, and he just seems to be going through a lot of just pain, and it's just really hard to see him like this.
Yeah.
So I was just,
That's a long time.
Yeah.
I know, I was just thinking about just putting him out of his misery.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna do it now.
Oh my fucking god.
He's gone now.
You are going to jail.
Oh.
I'm sorry, I'm just getting emotional.
So you just shot him?
No. I just, you know, yeah, I did.
No, I muted.
This is so right. This is so right.
And I'm talking about my my plushy dog, like the furry one, like the ones they make at Walmart.
I'm kind of into those things, if you know what I mean.
So, yeah, he's not a real thing, but I've been emotionally attached to him for 16 years now, and it was so hard to see him go.
You see.
Are you still there?